Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Happy Mail unboxing for you. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is coming from Christine, who is Kawaii Memo Love here on YouTube and also on Instagram, I believe. Or she also goes by, what was it? Eeyore01001. So I will share her links in the description box down below. But you guys, please go check her out. Look at this amazing, okay, let me cover it. Such a cute washi tape or masking tape, whatever this is called, but it's so cute. It's a bunch of macarons. And so thank you so much, Christine. Yes, I'm sorry, my friend. It's been really crazy here at the house. Just doing so many things at one time. You know what I mean? Life is happening. That's all. Everybody's having it. Everybody's going through it. But here we go. I just wanted to cut that tape off so I didn't show her address. But look at her box. And her box is so cute. It's purplish, like pinkish purple. How pretty is that? Okay. Oh, she has a little note. Oh, her writing is so pretty. Aw, she's just saying thank you. You're so welcome. Oh, yes, we will be having another in the next year. Yes. Oh, so much. You're so thoughtful. Thank you so much, my friend. Look at her writing. My gosh, such pretty writing. Look at this. Yeah, and she also does resin. I mean, I'm sorry, Christine, I'm putting you out there. And so, oh my gosh. Oh, there's something in here. Ooh, let me make sure. Okay, I'm going to put that out. I don't want to just keep opening. I'm going to take everything out. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Christine, you're so thoughtful. Look at these hair tie elastics. Look, how cute. And they have that, ooh, you see that holographic behind there, behind the acrylic. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, too cute. Oh my goodness. My Melody and Kuroni. And she also gave me a face mask. Hello Kitty, Brilliant Boost. Very cute. Look at her. 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Very cute, Christine. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I'm like burping. Sorry. What? How cute is this? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm like looking without showing you. Look at this. So the very tip, I think she made this. Girlfriend, did it. Oh my gosh. Hello, Kitty. Look at the little bow. And she's got a little kitty right there. And then she's got the little teeny tiny hearts going down. Wow. And then a little teeny tiny apple. Holy smokes, girlfriend. And then you got to tell me what it's for. Like, because I would just use it to look at. I would just look at it all day. And then what is this? Feels delicate. Oh, it is. It's a shaker. Oh my goodness. Look at this flower wand. She made this out of resin. Wow. Girl. That is amazing. Look at that. All the little flowers. How cute. I'm just mesmerized. And she's got glitter in the resin. You see? It's all the way through the handle, through the resin. Very pretty, Christine. Wow. That is beautiful. I could never do that. That is crazy. And the leaves are shakers too. How pretty. Oh my gosh, that just made me really quiet. And then here is my Melody. Let's see what she's made in here. And she says she's, well, at the time when I did ask her, I think she said she's not selling any yet, quite yet. Oh, that's cute. Look at the chain. Oh, I like that. I like this chain. I have the bigger ones of the same chain link, but it's huge. These are cute. These are dainty. And then she's got the little white chain here and also a shaker. Look at that. And she's got little cinnamon roll. I was going to say a bunny, but they put cinnamon rolls tied up her ears. And she's got a nice little heart flat back in the middle. That is so cool, girl. I will definitely leave her information in the description box. Please go check her out. Watch her videos. Share some love. Christine is very unique because she does Instagram. Did I just overlook something? That is an I. I just saw that. That is my initial with Hello Kitty on it. Oh my gosh, how sweet. Look at that. How cute. Christine, that is so cute. I love that. Wow, and she's got foil pieces in there. How cool is that? Look at that. Isn't that cool? She's very unique. She does YouTube videos, but she does closed captioning. She does silent videos. I'm sorry, it's the bag. It says cinnamon roll. How cute is she? Is cinnamon roll a girl or a boy? And then she did a little eye here. Look at this. How cute. My Melody. So pretty. I love the little flecks inside the resin because it's so clear. Pretty, pretty. And she also made these. She did these. Oh my gosh, this all the glitter. Wow. So pretty. Wow. Look at that. Can you see that? You can see through it. How pretty. Oh my goodness, girl. Wow, Christine, this is beautiful. You could just stare at it all day, or I can. I can just stare at it. Look at her. So cute. Thank you so much, Christine. You did not have to send me any of this, but they're all beautiful. Oh my goodness. What do I do? What do I need to do to do? This is so beautiful. Okay, guys. So like I said, you can find her on YouTube, Kawaii Memo Love, and on Instagram, there it is, Eoru. That's what it says. Eoru. Yeah. One. Anywho, that is her information. If you're interested, please go check her. Give her some crafty love for all these beautiful creations she shared with me today. I really do appreciate you all coming back every time I load a video. So if you come in here and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and join the Crafty family. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post a new video or when I go live here on my channel. So I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Thank you, Christine. Bye.